Hello students, welcome back to online lecture of MG Shah Vidya Mandir and Junior College Bahubali. Welcome to 10th Maths 2nd. Student, in this video we will take revision of topic number 1st and topic number 2nd. So let's start today's video. Hello students, welcome back to online lecture of 10th Maths 2nd. Student, there will be unit test number 1st. So in this video I take revision of topic number 1st and topic number 2nd. I here take some examples in topic number 1st and topic number 2nd. You solve all these examples in your notebook. So let's start. See question number 1st. Filling the boxes properly. Here it is in the topic number 1st. You know, this in this figure C, we have to find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APQ. Observe ABC and APQ. We know area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So here in this triangle ABC, which is the base here BC and height is here AR. Okay. And in triangle APQ, base is PQ and height is AR. So here AR get cancelled. What remains? BC upon PQ. Okay. Then second one, M is midpoint of segment BC. That is here AM is median of this triangle ABC. So what happens if M is median? Area of triangle AMC. See, this is the triangle. This is the scalar triangle. So its base is CM and height is, if we draw height, the height is in this way, perpendicular. Okay. So triangle AMC. Here you write as M. MC is the base and AM is the height. And in triangle BM, in triangle, now you see in triangle ABM, BMA. In this triangle, BM is the base and height is AM. So in both the cases, height are same. So area, ratio of area are proportional to corresponding base. Here MC is the base and here BM is the base. Okay. So we get here CM and BM. But M is the midpoint, so these both are same. You write BM upon BM. This get cancelled, we get the answer as 1. Okay. See second question. In figure, BC is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to AP. We had given BC as 4, AD as 8. Then find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. We have to find area of these two triangles. Okay. So observe student, ABC triangle चा base काय आहे ABM आणि ABD triangle चा base काय आहे AP. Here base is same. Here base is same for triangle ABC and triangle ADB. Okay, therefore this area, ratio of this area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to, if the base is same, then the ratio of areas are proportional to its corresponding height. So what is the height of triangle ABC? BC upon AD. Right reason? Same height. Height is same. So areas are proportional to corresponding bases. BC is 4 upon 8. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. That is equal to 1 upon 2. This is the final answer. Okay. See question number 3. In trapezium ABCD,
Side AB is parallel to sides BC. Diagonals AC and BD intersect at point O. AB is given 20, DC is given 6, and OP it is given 15. Then we have to find OB. Okay. So here, students, for finding this, there are 3 sides given. One side we have to find. So we select the triangle containing these 3 sides, that is these 2 triangles. This is the first triangle and this is second triangle. If we prove these 2 triangles are similar, then we know the sides are in proportional and then we can find OB. Okay. So here we first write in triangle. First this triangle OCD and triangle OBA. In this both triangle, first C. These 2 angles are congruent. Okay. Angle CDO congruent angle OBA because alternate angle. These are the alternate angles. Okay, because these 2 sides are parallel. And second, opposite angles you take. Angle COD congruent angle BOA. Reason you write opposite angles. Okay, if 2 angles of a triangle are congruent, then the triangles are similar. So we write triangle, these 2 triangles are similar by a test of similarity. Which 2 triangles? C, D, B. Okay, and here OO. O is there, D and B is there, OD, C, and here OBA. These 2 triangles are similar here. If both triangles are similar, then sides are in proportional. You write OD upon OB is equal to DC upon BA is equal to OC upon OA. You write reason, corresponding side of similar triangle. Which sides we want? See, here this we want and here OD this one. So write we OD upon OB is equal to DC upon BA. You write here in the, what is the value of OD? You write OD as it is. Then OB 15 is equal to DC 6 upon 20. Therefore, 20 into OD is equal to 15 into 6. OD is equal to 15 into 6 upon 20. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So we get OD is equal to 9 upon 2. That is OD is equal to 4.5. Okay, so we get OD as 4.5. In figure, in triangle ABC, point D is on the side BC such that angle BAC is equal to angle ABC is given. And we have to prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. For proving this such type of questions, student, you remember the sides containing this, you choose the triangles side containing these sides. That is C, where is side CA? This is the side CA. CB, this is the side CB and CB. Okay, so we choose the side triangle containing these sides. So this is the triangle ADB and this is the triangle ABC. We select these 2 triangles. If we prove these 2 triangles are similar, then we can prove this result. Okay, so let's start. In triangle ADC and triangle ABC, we write as first C, angle ADC मध्ये बघा हा angle D, angle ADC is congruent to angle BAC given. Second, angle C is common in both. Angle ACD is congruent to angle ACB because it is common side. Okay, therefore these two triangles are similar by a test of similarity. Which two triangles? CC is there, then DA is there, here D and here A is there. So what remains here? DC get A and here AC get B remains. Okay, now you write if two triangles are similar, then sides are in proportional. So you write AB upon BA is equal to DC upon AC is equal to AC upon BC. Reason is corresponding side of similar triangle. Now we want CA, CB and CB. We want these two. Okay, so we write here DC upon AC is equal to AC upon BC. If we cross multiply, we get AC square is equal to BC into BC. Hence the okay. See next example. Triangle LMN, similar triangle PQR is given. 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. If QR is equal to 20, then find MN. So here given is two triangles are similar. You remember the theorem, if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas is equal to ratio of the corresponding sides square. Okay, so here two triangles are similar, triangle LMN, similar triangle PQR given. So we write area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR is equal to corresponding side. Which side is given? QR and MN. So QR la kaun side hai? MN. So we write MN square upon QR square. You write here reason, theorem of areas of similar triangle. Theorem of areas of similar triangle. So we put the value here. From this you find LMN upon PQR is equal to 9 upon 16. MN, we want MN square upon QR is 20 square. So 9 upon 16 is equal to MN square upon 20 square is 400. MN square is equal to 400 into 9 upon 16. 16 2s are 32. 16 5s are. So we get here MN square is equal to 25 into 9. 225. Taking square root on both sides, we get MN is equal to square root of 225 is 50. So value of MN is 50. Okay. Question number 6C. In figure, A, B and C is given, and B, E, C is D is between A and C, and E is between B and C. Segment DE is parallel to side AB. If AD is equal to 5 and DC is equal to 3, BC is equal to 4, whole BC is given 6.4. We have to find BE. Here it is supposed that BE is X. So EC becomes 6.4 minus X. Okay. Let BE is equal to X. Therefore, EC is equal to 6.4. 6.4 is there. 6.4 minus X. EC becomes. Now here AB is parallel to D is given. So we use here basic proportionality theorem. Student, in the topic number first, there are theorems. Basic proportionality theorem, it is important. Then area of similar triangle, this is also theorem. You remember these two theorems. So here we use the basic proportionality theorem. Side which is the given C, side AB is parallel to segment DE given. Therefore, by basic proportionality theorem we write CD upon DA is equal to CE upon EB. You write here basic proportionality theorem. Okay. So CD is 3 upon 5 is equal to 6.4 minus x upon x. Now you cross multiply and solve this example. You cross multiply, you get 3x is equal to 5 into bracket 6.4 minus x. 3x is equal to 5 4 za 20, 5 6 za 30, 30 plus 2 32 minus 3x. So here 3x plus 3x is equal to 32. 3x plus 3x is equal to, sorry, here 5x is there. 3x plus 5x. 3x plus 5x is 8x is equal to 32. So we get x is equal to 32 upon 8. X is equal to 4. We want BE. Therefore, we get BE is equal to 4. Okay. Here we use the basic proportionality theorem. When we use the basic proportionality theorem, if in the triangle two sides are parallel given, one side is parallel to, a line is parallel to any one of the side, then we use the basic proportionality theorem. See question number 7. In figure, xy is parallel to AC and 2ax is equal to 3bx is given. Xy is given 9. So you put the value of xy. Xy is given 9. Complete the activity to find AC. So here 2ax is equal to 3bx given. You write ax upon bx is equal to 3 upon 2. Now by component is there. So ax plus bx upon bx is equal to 3 plus 2 upon 2. It is component. 3 plus 2, 5 upon 2. So we get AB upon BX is equal to 5 upon 2. Now triangle BCA and triangle BYX are similar triangle. By which test? A. Why? Because these two sides are parallel. So these are corresponding angle congruent, or we take common angle by A test. If two triangles are similar, then sides are in proportional, corresponding side of similar triangle. BA upon BX is, we had calculated 5 upon 2. Now you find AC. AC is equal to 9 5 are 45 upon 2. 45 upon 2 means 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. We get AC as 22.5. Okay. Now student, we will see some examples in topic 2nd, Pythagoras theorem. In topic number 2nd, Pythagoras theorem, you remember I take overlook of all this topic. First, you remember what is the Pythagorean triplet. How to find it is Pythagorean triplet or not. How you find? You take the greatest side, take its square. If it is equal to square of sum of square of the remaining side, then it is a Pythagorean triplet. Then what is the Pythagoras theorem? You know hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus other side square and converse. Then there is theorem of 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree triangle. What is the theorem says? The side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse and the side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 hypotenuse. Then 45, 90 degree triangle what says? the side opposite to 45 degree means the side making right angle is 1 upon root 2 times the hypotenuse. Now we will see example on it. See, for finding AB and AC in this figure, complete the activity. We have to complete the activity. It is given 90 degree. B angle is 90 degrees here and AB is congruent to BC is there. Therefore, AB is equal to BC. We had given here. Okay. Therefore, angle BAC. See, it is 90 degree and these two sides are congruent. Therefore, these two angles are also congruent. 180 minus 90 means 90. These two triangles are congruent means these are both of 45 degree. Therefore, see, AB at this angle becomes 45 degree and this angle becomes also 45 degree. So we know this is the 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. We use the theorem of 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. The side opposite to 45 degree are AB and BC is here, or the sides making right angle. What are the side opposite to 45 degree? 1 upon root 2 of the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is here root 8. 1 upon root 2 into root 8. That is 1 upon root 2. You can write this root 8 as, see, you write root 8 as root 4 to 8. 4 square root is 2 and root 2 as it is. Root 2 get cancelled. So final answer is 2. We get AB is equal to BC is equal to 2. Okay. See student, next question. Find SP and PR by using given information in the figure. What is the information given in the figure? We had given information in the figure as, see, angle P is given 30 degree and SR is given 6 centimeter. From this information we have to find SP and PS. Okay. So see, angle P is 30 degree, AC is 90 degree. So angle R is, what is the angle R? You first find angle R. In triangle PSR, angle S is 90 degree, angle P is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, angle R is 180 minus 90, 90, 90 minus 30, 60 degree. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, triangle PSR is 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. And you know, if the triangle is 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, then the side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse. Therefore, we write side opposite to 30 degree is SR is equal to, or you write here by, therefore by 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle theorem, we write as SR is equal to half hypotenuse, which is the hypotenuse is here PR, and the side opposite to this is 60 degree, side opposite to 60 degree is PS is equal to root 3 upon 2 into PR. Half into PR as it is, SR is 6. So we get here PR is equal to 6 to the weight. Okay, and here what is PS? PS is equal to root 3 upon 2 into value of PR is 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. We get PS is equal to 6 root 3. So one example I had given 45, 45, 90 degree, and here second example is on 30, 60 and 90 degree triangle theorem. Okay. Find the side and perimeter of a square whose diagonal is given 10 centimeter. So we draw here first figure of square. I draw here figure of square. Square means all sides are congruent and each angle is 90 degree. You name this as A, B, C, D. Diagonal is given, so I join BD. Diagonal is given 10 centimeter. Side we suppose X. Okay. Let X be side of a square. Therefore, in triangle ABD, you observe angle DAB is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, we will use Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, you write as BD square is equal to AB square plus AD square. What is BD? 10 square is equal to x square plus x square. That is 100 is equal to 2x square. Therefore, x square is equal to 50. X is equal to, we write 50 as 25 into 2. Taking square from both sides, we get x is equal to 5 root 2 centimeter. What is x is here? X is side. Therefore, side of square is equal to 5 root 2 centimeter. Okay. Now we want perimeter. I write here perimeter is equal to 4 into x, 4 into side, 4 into 5 root 2, that is 20 root 2 centimeter. Okay, so we get here side as 5 root 2 centimeter and perimeter as 20 root 2 centimeter. Okay, so students, you complete. I have here taken minimum examples, easy and medium examples in this video. You remember in the first topic what is BPT theorem and converse of BPT theorem, then areas of similar triangle theorem and example on it. Also, you solve examples in exercise. In topic number 3, you remember Pythagoras theorem, Pythagorean triplet, converse of Pythagoras theorem, 30, 60, 90 degree theorem and 45, 45, 90 degree theorem. And solve in the topic second, there is exercise, only practice at 2.1 is there. You solve completely 2.1 and example is in the problem set 2. So your today's homework is try to solve examples in topic number 1st and topic number 2nd in your notebook. Okay, thank you. Best of luck for exam.